Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with me and Mom. My name is Priya. In today's video, I am going to share some daily practice worksheets. These worksheets can be solved by LKG and UKG children. So let's get started. In first activity, I have mentioned find missing letters and write. This activity includes number names. Usually in LKG or UKG class, kids are taught number names. Here I have given number 1 and I have asked to fill this blank with the proper letter. So it is O-N-E 1. This is 2. So T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. So in this manner, kid has to fill the missing blanks to make a proper number name. Next activity is regarding phonics. So here the child has to write both the beginning sound and the ending sound of the word. So this is sun. So sun. Rug, ug, rug. This is bug, bug. Tub, tub. This is cut, cut. Net, net. These kind of activities are very much helpful to improve the knowledge of phonics. Next, add one more. Here I have included very basic addition questions. These kind of questions you can give to your child who has just begun to learn addition. To teach this basic addition also, you can use a number line so that kid understands the addition very easily. So here I am making a number line 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here you can ask your child to find number 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So here 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Learning addition through number line would be very much helpful and easy for your child in the initial stage of learning addition. Activity is dictation. It's very important to take dictation often at home as kids might forget the spellings. So I suggest you to take dictation at least once a week so that your child remembers all the family words like an, at and ed words like man, rat, bed, red. So next two activities are related to Hindi. In first activity, the kid has to fill the vyanjan like k, kh, g, g, d, ch, j, j, y, t, th, d, d, n. And the next activity here is jod kar likho. I have given two akshar. They have to join this akshar and write a word. A, g means it is ag.
Ag is a fire.
What did you say?
Ag is a fire.
Ag is a fire. Yes. A, th means art. Like this, kid has to join these two letters and make a word. Usually when kid is in senior KG, they are taught these kind of words. So next activity is related to sight words. Use sight words the and is. So here the kid has to use the words the and is and complete these sentences. Like the pot is hot. The bed is red. The cat is wet. The hen is in the pen. It is very important for a kid to know which sight word is to be used where. It should also know that when the comes in the beginning of the sentence, T should be capital. And the kid should also know that when the comes in the middle of the line, then in the middle of the sentence, then T will be small. Always include before and after number and between number activities in daily practice so that the child is thorough with the concept of before and after numbers. So here before 78 comes 77 and after 78 comes 78. So in this way the kid has to fill all the blanks. Next activity is word search. Word search are very important. Try including these kinds of worksheets. It really improves the vocabulary of your child. So here I have given some vehicle names. What we have to do is we have to find this vehicle name in this word search. So that like bike, B-I-K-E, bike, car, like this the kid has to find all the vehicle names in this word search. So lastly here I have asked to write the words that end with am and ug. So like jam, jug, Pam, mug. The child has to write these kind of words that end with am and ug. I hope these worksheets will be helpful for you to take daily practice of your LKG and UKG kids. And please stay tuned for more such videos on my channel. Thank you for watching.